Okay, guys, do something stupid.
Something stupid's bound to happen anyway.
What?
Like smack him on the head.
I know, huh? You almost fell off my bike.
I heard. I thought you did fall.
Holy shit. That scared the shit out of me.
You did fall.
I'll never forget that. No.
No.
He caught me or I would have fell.
He like grabbed you?
Yeah.
He grabbed my leg. I went like that and he grabbed my leg. He let off the
You were,
fucking handlebars.
close to the pavement or what?
This is stupid. Let's just use the same things that came out of it.
Hey Dean, show me an HD screw. Matt, do you know?
That's not appropriate for YouTube.
Well, when we come back to it. Oh, good job, man. Have this screwed up. Yeah, I'll cut it myself. Broken answer. When we get there,
Not this match. We're all that anyway.
where'd that 11 go? Go ahead and get the other side started.
Wow, it's on the same.
Next.
Mount. License pan and signal brackets to main pan. And up through tail light mount.
Take your big ass up, really. I don't know. That's why it's nice. Alright. Heavy slip screws. Bring that whole thing over here, Matt. This goes right in here, I bet you. After those two. Want to bet?
Should I do with my stickers? Put it right.
Oh crap, there's another screw there. Come on, there we go. Hand me a bolt, please, Matt. And that. Huh? Probably that guy. Kicked Dean in the head for me.
Oh, both.
Oh, yeah?
How many pucks would a puck chucker chuck if a puck chucker could chuck pucks?
The hell?
Who's that?
Makata.
And what does Becca say?
Like it says, when will you be done?
She doesn't want to talk to me. She didn't ask me. Tell her midnight.
How long? No, how long do you really think it will take? About.
Tell her by midnight for sure.